Today we are going to learn the remaining problem in a practice set 4.1. आज आपण अर्थनियोजन या चॅप्टर मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 4.1 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 चा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Tip Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to company. The cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in tax invoice of Tip Top Electronics. First, rate of SGST. Second, rate of GST on AC. Number 3, taxable value of AC, total amount of GST, amount of CGST, and amount of SGST. Solution of this problem. First, you understand the meaning of this problem. Tip Top Electronics supplied on AC of 1.5 ton to company. टिप टॉप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ने एक 1.5 टनचा AC एका कंपनीला सप्लाय केलेला आहे, दिलेला आहे. द कॉस्ट ऑफ AC सप्लाइड रुपीज 51,200 विथ GST. GST सह त्या AC ची एकूण किंमत 51,200 रुपये आहे. यामध्ये टॅक्सेबल अमाउंट आली आणि GST आलेली आहे. द रेट ऑफ CGST ऑन AC इज 14%. CGST चा AC चा दर 14% आहे. Then find the following amount as shown in tax invoice of Tip Top Electronics. तर खालील रक्कम काढा. रेट ऑफ SGST चा दर, रेट ऑफ GST ऑन AC, AC वरील एकूण GST किती आहे. नंबर 3, टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ AC ची करपात्र रक्कम किती. टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ GST, टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ GST किती आहे. अमाउंट ऑफ CGST काढायची आहे आणि अमाउंट ऑफ SGST. Solution of this problem. The rate of CGST on AC is given 14%. Therefore, rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Hence, first rate of SGST is equal to 14%. Second, rate of GST on AC. The rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST plus rate of CGST, or 2 multiply rate of SGST, 2 multiply 14 is equal to 28%. Total value of AC with GST is given rupees 51,200. GST सह त्या AC ची एकूण किंमत 51,200 रुपये आहे. Let taxable value is rupees X. Therefore, amount of GST is a taxable value multiply rate of GST. X multiply 28%. Therefore, 28x upon 100 is the amount of GST. Total value is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value we have to consider X plus the amount of GST is a 28x upon 100. Here on RHS side denominator is not same, cross multiplication. 100 multiply x, 100x plus 28x upon 100 is equal to 51,200. 51,200 is equal to 128x upon 100. 100 goes on LHS side, then you get multiply. 128x is equal to 51,200 multiply 100. 128 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, the value of X is equal to 4,000. This is the 40,000. This is the value of taxable value. Taxable value is equal to 40,000. 40,000 ही करपात्र रक्कम आहे. Taxable value is equal to rupees 40,000. Next, number 4, to find the value of GST. GST at 28% on rupees 40,000. 40,000 रुपये किमतीवर 28% GST means 40,000 multiply 28%. 40,000 multiply 28 upon 100, 20 get cancel. 400 into 28 is equal to 11,200 is the amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to rupees 11,200. Number 5, amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is equal to amount of GST divided by 2. 11,200 upon 2 is equal to 5,600. This is the amount of CGST. Amount of HGST is equal to amount of CGST. Therefore, amount of HGST is equal to is the same 5,600. This is the answer. Question number 7. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. The rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine for Prasad. Also find the amount of CGST and HGST show in the tax invoice. महाराष्ट्र इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स या दुकानातून प्रसादने एक वॉशिंग मशीन खरेदी केलेली आहे. त्यावर 5% डिस्काउंट, छापील किंमत 40,000 रुपये असताना त्यावर 5% डिस्काउंट दिलेला आहे. The rate of GST charge was 28%. GST चा रेट 28% आहे. Find the purchase price of the washing machine for प्रसाद. प्रसाद साठी वॉशिंग मशीनची खरेदी किंमत किती. Also find the amount of HGST and CGST show in the tax invoice. या कर प्रणालीमध्ये CGST आणि HGST ची किंमत किती. Solution: the printed price of washing machine is equal to rupees 40,000. Discount is equal to 5% was given on the printed price. Therefore, amount of discount is equal to printed price multiply discount. Printed price is a 40,000 multiply 5%. 40,000 multiply 5 upon 100. 400 multiply 5 is equal to 2,000. This is the discount amount. Therefore, actually selling price of washing machine is the printed price minus discount. 40,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 38,000. Taxable value is 38,000. The rate of GST is a 28%. The rate of GST is a 28%. GST at 28% on rupees 38,000 is equal to 38,000 multiply 28%. 38,000 multiply 28 upon 100, 20 get cancelled. 380 multiply 28 is equal to 10,640. This is the amount of GST on taxable value. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to rupees 10,640. Amount of HGST and amount of CGST is the half of amount of GST. Therefore, amount of GST divided by 2. 10,640 divided by 2, then we get 5,320 rupees. This is the amount of SGST and amount of CGST. The actually cost price for washing machine to Prasad. Amount of taxable amount plus amount of GST. Then we get 38,000 plus 10,640. Therefore, 48,640 is the purchase price for